Hello, children. You all are in your English class. Today, we are going to fill the book exercise of lesson 1. I am a big boy. Before starting, let's take a quick revision of this lesson. Well, the story is about a boy, Sunny. One day, his parents go outside and his Nana and Nani take care of him. Nani makes sandwich for him and offers him some milk also. Sunny loves to eat sandwiches. Sunny keeps all the plates in sink. Nana reads his new storybook to him. They have so much fun together. Now, open your English book, Living English, on page number 9. Let's do part A. Complete these sentences with words from the box. This question contains 4 fill in the blanks. And here one help box is given. We have to choose the correct one word from this box and then fill it in the given blanks. Let's see the first one. Fill in the blanks. Sunny is happy to be with dash and dash. Students, with whom Sunny is happy in the absence of his parents? Yes, you are right. He is happy to be with Nana and Nani. So cut these words from this help box and put them here with Nana, N-A-N-A, Nana, and Nani. Full stop. Let's see the second one. Sunny dash the sandwiches that Nani makes. Now tell me, Sunny loves or hates the sandwiches that Nani makes? Of course, he loves. He loves the sandwiches. So cut this word from this box and put it here. Loves. Sunny loves the sandwiches that Nani makes. Let's do third one. Sunny has a new. What does Sunny have? Yes, he has a new book. So, cut the word book from here and put it in this blank. Book. Sunny has a new book. Now, last but not the least. It is fun when Nana dash to Sunny. We are left with the one answer only. Reads. So, we will cut this word and write this word here. Reads. Let's read it again. It is fun when Nana reads to Sunny. So, your part A of this exercise is completed. Let's do the second part. Part B. Who said this? Circle the correct names. Children, here are some statements given by the characters of this story. We have to circle the name of the person who has said these statements. Let's start with the first one. Number 1 is have fun. Who has said these words? Have fun? Yes, here it is. Have fun. Mother has said these words. So, we will circle the word mother means mummy here. Now, let's do second one. Would you like some milk? Children, let's see. Yeah, it is here. Would you like some milk? Who has said these words? Yes. Nani has said these words. So, we will circle the word Nani here. Let's do the third one. I will keep them in the sink. Let's see who has said these words. Here it is. I will keep them in the sink. Sunny has said these words to his Nani. So, we will mark a circle on the word Sunny here. The last one is, we had so much fun together. Who has said these words? Yes. We had so much fun together. His Nana had said this statement. So, we will put circle on the word Nana here. With it, we have completed the part B of this exercise. Let's do part C of this exercise. Read the words on the word wall. In each sentence, circle the word that is from the word wall. Here, a word wall is given to us. So first, we will read all the words from this word wall. Glass, gate, please, again, grass, plate, read, train, brass, make, lead, grain. Children, here one sentence has been done for you, and in this sentence only the word plate is in the word wall. Here it is. So the circle has been marked on the word plate only. Similarly, we will do all these sentences. Let's do second one. The gate is red. Let's check the word gate. Yes, here it is the word gate. So we will mark a circle on the word gate. Let's check red also. No, the word red is not here in the word wall. So we will not put a circle on this word. Let's do the third one. Please give me a glass of milk. First we will check the word please. Here the word please is given to you. So we will mark a circle on the word please. Let's check another word. Give. No, give is not here. Glass. We will check glass in the word wall. Yes, here it is. So glass is here. That's why we will put a circle on the word glass. Let's check milk also. Is it here? No, milk is not here. So we will not put a circle on this word. Let's do the fourth one. Cows love grass. Let's check cows first. Cows is not here. So we will not put a circle on it. Love? No. Grass, grass. Yes, grass is here. So we will mark a circle here. Now number 5th, the train is going to Patna. Let's check train. Yes, here it is. So we will mark a circle on the word train. The other words are not in this word wall. Let's move to the 6th one. I like to read poems. Let's check. Yes, read is here. So we will put a circle in this sentence on the word read. Let's check poems. Poems is not here. So we will not put a circle on this word. Now we have done this exercise.